What is up, YouTube? We're back out here with a vlog or mini truck update. Finally back around to getting to it, but for the most part I got the wheels painted and put back on. Here's the spare tire, looking fresh. Coming down here, got a little dirt on the wheels, but look at those center caps though. They are fresh. Now these are the stock 12s, original, so nothing too fancy with the wheels. Stock suspension still. Coming over here, I did get some fresh rubber on here, so, and it kind of rides more comfortable, but I'm gonna have to replace the rears, and then should be extra. I gotta give this thing a bath, and I gotta buff the door a little bit. My dog jumped on the thing on the door, so single stage paint, that's all right. These are not deep scratches, at least. Supposedly someone I was thinking I'm putting a CB radio in this little thing too. It'd be kind of cool. Let's see here. This is a little door trim. It's either this box right here or is this box right here. I'm not too sure, but this mini truck, it looks like it's factory. So it came with that door chime, whatever you want to call it, to let you know that, hey, either your lights are still on or your keys are in the ignition. Very nice. Anyways, the update on this video on this mini truck, I installed a tire carrier for it. I got this at Menards. They also have a Harbor Freight kit. Harbor Freight didn't have one in stock, so I went with this. Pretty much they are straightforward process. If you have one of these racks, you have these two 10s right here on both sides, and then you just have to unbolt the light, and this actually pivots and folds back, and you can actually slide that bracket up in there, and then you would be able to install this kit. Now today I gotta make a little adjustment. I gotta cut off some of this bolt right here and this one down here too. So when you mount the tire to this carrier, it wants to push into the tire, and I'm afraid that would poke a hole in my spare tire, and that's not good. So so let's just jump right into it, and let's see how well that goes. Gonna set up my camera for you guys. Always have your eye protection and your safety glasses and gloves. All right, quite a little chat here. I'm gonna link to both the carrier piece. I'll just drop it right here from Harbor Freight, and then if you are in the Midwestern states that have menards, I'll put that right there too. All right, let's get that tire, put it on there. All right, look at that. That's not going anywhere. That looks pretty good, pretty solid for what it is. Let's close this up real quick. Look at that. Nice clean install. Doesn't hit the edge. It's very perfect. I like that. So now all we got to do is just put tools away like a good, reasonable person. Somehow I gotta put that extension cord up there. Alright. So we're working on this car. I gotta put a lower control arm in it. Update on the Magna, blew that up. So kind of depressing, but it's what it is. I gotta do a bunch of repairs on the suspension and wheel bearings and everything. Mini truck haven't failed me yet. Though I do have a story to tell you guys about what happened over the weekend with the mini truck. Thursday, Tuesday, I had a guy, he couldn't really speak English, but that's all right. He wanted to buy the truck. He thought it was the coolest little tiny truck in the world. He wanted to buy it. I told him $8,500, you know, and he's like, okay. And I told him Saturday 9:30, right? You know, $8,500 for, you know, shiny new tires, runs, drives, no issues, brake pads are new, working on putting new tires on it. It's titled, it's registered, it's turnkey basically right now. Like, it's a really amazing car, has underglow. And I went inside to put a tool away and I didn't do that. But anyways, so we agreed Saturday at 9:30. I was up. I was hanging out in the living room on the couch and looked outside, you know, didn't hear a car pull in. Nobody showed up. So I went down in the basement into the computer lab and, you know, started playing games because that's what I want to do. Give me a like for the puppy, come on, you gotta like the puppy. And so about 10:30, almost 11, I hear this loud bang outside. I'm like, what the hell? Dog starts to freak out because, you know, guard dog does a good job at it, freaking out. And I'm not clothed. Let's be honest here. It's a Saturday at 10 in the morning. Nobody's clothed. And I peek out of the window. You're stuck. I peek out of the window. And I see four people here in two cars. There was a Corolla, kind of like that one right there. It was brown with a black bumper. Okay. And then there was a red Silverado, either a GMC version or the Chevy version. Either way, it was rusty, and they hit this canyon Colorado. They pulled in the driveway. They stopped right here. I'm gonna assume they knocked, but I didn't hear anybody. They assumed that nobody was here, so they were gonna leave. Got back in their car and truck and backed up. For some reason, they white girled it and hit the Colorado. She's pretty fucked. Sorry for my French, but no plate, no case, I guess. But they're not gonna come back. So if they do want the mini truck, I have changed the price specifically for them to be able to fix this. And I want 16 grand. You get to buy the truck, and then you get to fix this truck. Granted, this is not the world's greatest truck to fix, but you hit it, you should at least, you know, put a sticky note saying I'm sorry, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much the update so far, what's happening. One more vehicle update. I picked up this car. It is a Ford Focus, Hocus Pocus. And so let me just walk in there real quick. He's gonna get mad. Yeah, see? Upset. But anyways, it was hit in the front. It actually hit high. So it missed almost, I mean, it missed the bar and the rails, which that's like the blessing of everything. But it hit the airbox, it hit the radiator, it destroyed the fan, but I'm gonna reuse it. I gotta replace both hoses I got right here. So there are gonna be a couple videos on this car, videos on the mini truck, probably a video doing an oil change on the Explorer. So just give you guys some content of what's going on. I apologize for not really posting much. A lot been going on here and mental state, so I'm not gonna bore you with all that problems, but I'm just happy that I can record another video of the mini truck and give you guys an update. The people that was renting out the barn are slowly moving out, so I've been doing a lot more stuff in the barn with car stuff instead of having cows and stuff, which is all right. But anywho, you guys take it easy. I'll see you on the next video, guys. You know, peace out.